Hello, in this ExplainDad, this is a guide on how to share your Wi-Fi without the password on Android or even iOS. It's a simple and quick process, so let's get started. So open up your control center of your phone in which you can access mobile data, Wi-Fi, and everything, or you might also go to your settings. So click on the Wi-Fi one. In here, you can see on the top right that there's a QR code scanner logo in there. In here, you'll be able to see or you'll be able to access the camera of using the QR code. In the other device, you can also make and open up the settings of the Wi-Fi that you're connected. And there you can also have a choice that you'll be able to share your Wi-Fi. It will show up the QR code, and here the other device that you want to connect, just tap on the QR code scanner and there you'll have it. You'll be able to connect everything that you need just by sharing it using your camera on the QR code scanner. In here, you can just tap on the settings. If you can see it, you can also just use the sharing on the Google Chrome. And that's about it. Explain that, and that's how to share your Wi-Fi without the password on Android or iOS.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on ExplainDad.